Yes, this is a very important time. And let's talk about a biomarker testing and what it is.
Absolutely. Let's put this biomarker testing in the context of what type of cancers we can test for this. And let's start to talk about the soft tissue sarcomas, which are rare type of cancers. There are more than 50 different subtypes of soft tissue sarcomas, with synovial sarcoma being one of them. And early diagnosis is extremely important for patients with synovial sarcoma and soft tissue sarcomas, as they can benefit from multimodality treatment with chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. It is extremely important for patients with synovial sarcoma or any type of soft tissue sarcoma to be evaluated in a tertiary cancer center, where a group of experts that they just do this type of cancer, they can diagnose them and help with personalized treatment options. And now, if we put the context of the biomarker for types of sarcoma, and particularly for synovial sarcoma, let's start by defining what is a biomarker. It's a biological substance, such a gene or a protein, that can be found in the patient's blood or in their tissue, and that it can further refine their diagnosis, but more importantly, can give us, the treating physician, more information about the treatment options for those patients.
Yeah. All right, let's talk about the process of this testing. What goes into it?
Right. So we start by talking with the patients about the importance of these biomarkers, and then doing early on for the patients. And then if we see that the patients are eligible, we will send a blood sample or a tissue sample for testing, and usually takes around 2 to 4 weeks for the results to come back. And then we'll meet with them and discuss the results and further formulate the treatment options for the patients. And I wanted to emphasize that it's extremely important to have these biomarkers earlier for these patients done, because they can give us more opportunities for evaluation for the patients with synovial sarcoma or any type of soft tissue sarcoma for clinical trials, or even for FDA already approved treatments.
Yeah. Doctor, what are some of the symptoms for this type of cancer? Because it is a rare type of cancer.
Right. Synovial sarcoma, yes, is one of these very rare, more than 50 different subtypes. So it's very rare. And usually they can be found anywhere in the body, but most of the times they are presenting like a painless lump around one of the large joints, such a knee or a hip or a shoulder, but again, can be anywhere in their body. If they are located close to a nerve structure, they can cause pain, and this is what is triggering these patients to go to their primary care physician and have further testing.
Wow, this is such an important topic, and something that everyone should be getting checked out on and seeing. So where can people find more information?
There are a lot of great resources out there for the patients to learn more about sarcomas. The sarcoma centers specialized in treatment of these rare tumors around the country. And specifically for biomarker, they can go to sarcomabiomarkertesting.com.
All right, Doctor, thank you very much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me here for July Sarcoma Awareness Month.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored on behalf of Adapt Immune by Connect 360 Multimedia.